welcome back. Vegas Pallet Kings. Amidst the craziness, which is now.
COVID-19 edition.
Look at that face. Alright, we're going to just tear it open. Let's get going here. $232, 2 pieces. So we'll do this box, and second video will be the second box. So here we go. Flash time. Alright, digging in right from the beginning. Oh, look at that, right off the top, the big old heavy-duty stapler.
Big Mama Jamma.
Nice.
All your big stapling needs. Go through
I'll go through a few pages.
2 to 130 pages.
Wow, that's a lot of pages.
That's a lot of pages. That's what it says, though. You believe it? I believe it.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I think you'd be there for a little while, pulling out errors and trying to read it.
Yeah, trying to go through.
But nonetheless, this is the name in stapler, so come get it.
We got some MMA kickboxing gloves. Everlast. Need to do some training.
Nice.
Get in shape. We all need to get in shape.
I am in a shape.
Ground is the shape. All right. I don't know what this is. This is a jumbled mess of wires.
Oh, looks like a marine fitting.
Looks like you put a lot of light bulbs in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's like the
Almost
garage
like,
lights.
That's the outdoor tie-in type of hanging lights.
Oh, there you
Go
go.
backyard.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks
Oh,
fun.
nice.
That looks like a fun job for a perfect weekend.
Yeah. Oh my God. I love these.
Backyard done. Yeah, they look cool.
Yeah, it does look super cool. What else we got here? Amazon warehouse deals inspected. Looks like a towel. I don't know what that is.
That'd be something to scrape.
You ever seen that?
Scrape the stuff off your feet or something like that.
I don't know.
Open her up.
That's weird. Crack that bad boy open. You guys see what that is? Looks like a towel with like a little rubber thing on it.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Could be something like that, right?
Maybe for your golf shoes, you come in, you scrape your shoes off, get the grass out for women, get it out of the cleats.
Yeah, there you go. Clean between the cleats.
Yep.
Cleats and gums.
Nice. Got a thermostat for a Mercedes-Benz.
Oh my gosh, nice. That might be a cool buck.
Yeah, Mercedes-Benz thermostat. Yeah, looks brand new. I'll open that bad boy up too.
Yeah, check her out.
Crack that open. For a Mercedes-Benz.
Oh yeah, that's brand new.
Yeah. Oh yeah, still got the gaskets on it. Nice. Well, at least they gave you the gaskets and everything back. Yeah, it's a thermostat.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Good job. Made in Germany.
That's worth some money there.
It's not a reman. It's made in Germany.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, check these out. We got some golf balls, slightly used.
Ew.
There's only one in this package. There's supposed to be 3, but
They're like soccer balls?
yeah, like little soccer balls with American flag stuff on them.
America.
This is America. Callaway. But all the other boxes look like they're full, so
Oh, nice.
it's only one box that's missing.
That's pretty good. You play a whole round and you're only out 2 balls.
Yeah.
I'm lucky if I have 2 left.
Then you send the rest back and you get your money back.
Hey, just make sure you put the one in the window here so
Yeah, so it's got all 3.
It's
Yeah,
got
exactly.
kind of the weight.
Exactly what they did.
Kind of feels right. Just some in the window.
What do we got here? Looks like some kind of harness. Oh, a leash. We're just looking for one of these. Oh, it's ripped though. Oh, they ripped it.
Oh, yeah.
Dang.
Oh, they really chewed the crap out of it. Must have been a big ass dog.
But now we need to set it back.
Wow, that's amazing.
They're like Costco level 80 on their returns, though.
Yeah. Woo. That's a big old dog. All right, what is this?
Desco's car parts.
Desco, yes.
Some kind of board.
Wrist stroke touch.
Maybe some kind of a board because it's got the warning.
Let's see what this says. Here we go. This was, oh, they tested whatever it was. They sent it back and they resold it. It doesn't say what it exactly is though. It says something on the top.
Oh, it's a wrist strap tester.
Oh, is that all it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Test
Oh, to test it.
test the functionality of your wrist strap.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, makes sense.
Eh. Well, you gotta test it somehow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, too bad that people in my old job years ago were too lazy to wear one, and everything failed 6 months in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, rechargeable electric air pump.
Well, for your mattress.
Yeah.
Yeah. Blow
Oh,
your back.
yeah, the full float, full stuff.
Yep. Hey, full time.
Do we have one of those? Air mattress we just got?
Full time.
Yeah, we got a big,
Big shipment
big
in.
shipping in 6 pallets full of stuff, so.
6 pallet. It was a very heavy, lot of work. Whew. Haven't sweated like that since I was a little girl.
So some people are going to say I was just watching the unloading, but no, I did help.
No, yeah. I'm guessing some kind of manual on.
Some kind of regulator
Yeah. Like for a hose regulator?
there?
maybe?
Pressure regulator, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's orbit. It's probably going to be some
Oh,
landscaping.
for long.
Yeah, for like your sprinkler system?
Yeah, so you don't pop the heads
Does it
off.
pop over there?
Yeah, you don't want to blast the heads off. What are you looking for?
Look like an otter pop.
Oh, this thing? It is a snorkel
Oh, a snorkel.
for all your snorkeling needs.
Oh, too bad a scuba mask would have been good around this time.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks like a nice snorkel
It
though.
does look like a nice snorkel.
I was gonna say, I thought that was the next item underneath, but it's not. It's I don't know what this is. Oh, it's for your bow. It's a.
Compound bow. Oh wow, it's a sight.
It's like the sight, yeah.
Oh my
It's
god.
called like a compound bow, like a,
Yeah, for a compound bow that you can put on there for
That's
hunting.
amazing because
So you can go hunt the deers again.
yeah, it's got different colored sights.
We do like hunting deers.
Because they either belong in the wilderness or on the plate. Oh wow, true glow. Because yeah, the leaves glow.
Yeah,
That's
yeah, they
awesome.
do. That's actually super cool. What else we got here? I don't know what this is.
We can sell that to Ted Nugent.
We have to open this sucker up. And you tell me what that is.
Looks like some kind of LED lighting. Oh yeah, it is. It's like an LED lighting, night light.
Oh. Nice.
Very cool.
For in your bathroom, you know, for
Awesome.
when grandma's in town, you know, you gotta have a little light on for her.
Can't have her stubbing her toe.
Yeah.
leave the light on for you.
You can't let her break her
Motel
pinky.
6 now?
Yeah, so they don't break their pinky toes on the corners.
Yeah. Somebody returned some LED lights that have been slightly chewed on.
They don't do it. You're good.
Yeah. Yeah, we did do that. Did you see the end of it?
It's alright.
Nom nom nom.
Looked like their dog chewed on it. More car parts?
Hey, the price of
Is it another carburetor?
No, this is, it's almost like a water pump. Some kind of water pump. Rotation, spin, SPX flow.
Was that your
Johnson pump. It's a Johnson pump.
Oh.
It actually says Johnson pump. It's not the kind from, you know. Oh, insect repellent too.
Oh, there, you just talk about your
With
mosquitoes.
the mosquitoes.
It's only half used.
Getting bad. It's probably also good when you're out hunting a deer.
wait, but they're only getting bad because it killed the mosquito eaters.
Oh,
But they're annoying.
mosquitoes.
They look like very scary mosquitoes.
You got some gloves.
Oh, there you go, Mike.
Cool stitch gloves. These are youth sized. If you got small hands, that's be the perfect fit.
Golf gloves here.
Yeah.
Under Armour.
Yep. Actually, they're must-haves. Must-haves. We got a nectar feeder here. You wanna
Oh, it's good. Feed your mosquitoes.
feed your hummingbirds? These are hummingbirds. Not
Oh, sorry. They're big mosquitoes.
Well, it depends on what you put in there, right? You put sugar, you get hummingbirds. You put water, you get mosquitoes.
Yeah, I'd go with the hummingbird.
Yeah.
So.
You put white claw, you get college girls.
Oh wait, it
Oh.
has the mix in it too.
All right.
But don't they say not to put the mix, just put regular sugar and water?
Yeah, sugar and water.
Yeah.
They don't need any. They don't need any special margaritas.
Got a mystery box inside the mystery box.
Shocks.
No, we had those on that other thing.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
Another piece of rubber shoes.
Here we go.
There you
It's a hanging
Oh, like a shoe rack?
shoe rack, yeah. It's a shoe cabinet installation instructions.
Just
The
to
little
my shoes.
little plastic poles.
go. Oh, you could have got them out of the way.
See?
Yeah. Got like all the bits and pieces.
That'll work.
Yeah.
I see something that's going home with somebody today.
Ooh.
Oh, that one in the corner here. Saving the good one for last.
Yeah, I'm not saying what it is. I'm
Yeah.
just,
What else we got here? Oh. More parts and it's broken in half.
oh, that's so awesome.
I don't know.
A sharpener maybe?
Yeah, it looks like a knife sharpener, but it's
Yeah.
broken in half.
That's impressive.
A little stone.
That's
sharpener.
pretty heavy duty if you break that thing in
Straight stone.
half. Yeah. You can still sharpen up half of your knife. Nope, this is
It's a cover for
yeah, it's a front
the base.
cover or something.
Refrigerator?
No. It's
Desktop.
for your PlayStation.
Oh.
Ooh.
The PlayStation front cover.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, somebody might need that then.
Huh?
Somebody might need that.
Yeah.
The repair one.
Yeah, they're taking it apart and then they break
Check
it.
the website.
You can always put that back together for your PlayStation.
I've been burning a hole for my MLB 19. I don't need a stand for it.
Okay, well, here we go. Here's the big boy at the end of the tunnel. It is a Philips Hue.
Oh, nice. Starter kit?
Looks that way. Let's see what's inside though.
There's balls, I'm stealing them.
There are bulbs. They are hue, white, and color.
Ooh, nice. See it in the front house.
And it's
Oh,
got
that's
the,
the new PlayStation too.
Yeah. Yeah, mine's the older one.
Oh, you keep that, I'll take bulbs.
Yeah, but I need the color bulbs too.
I just need one. You get other ones.
Then I gotta buy more.
But you have a new base station, so you can do all the fancy stuff now.
Oh,
It controls Alexa and everything.
nice. Well, Alexa controls it now.
Yeah, you can do the
Electric
effects and
control.
stuff, you know, like say turn on energize,
Oh,
change the
like
color.
yeah, do the fireworks. And,
Yeah, more advanced stuff.
This was definitely a Christmas return. The drop-off date was 7th of January 2020.
Oh, we better keep buying. You get all this Christmas stuff.
Yeah.
So we got stuff from Lake Oswego, Oregon. I saw another one from Cal Poly. So that stuff's coming from a few different places.
Wow. Yep. Well, that's empty. Just like all of the souls. All right, stay tuned, folks. We got one more box for you.
This one wasn't bad either.
Yeah, it's some good stuff in here. So stay tuned.